Hey, let's talk about the importance of screws. Especially, there we go, small screws like 0090, 080, 172, 256. Are you familiar with any of these? Well, then you understand the importance of small screws. However, you saw two words. There you see. That's two different sizes of watchmakers. Tap and die. Dysfunctional box. I'm going to have to. Anyway, watchmaker screws are extremely tiny. I've got 2/10 of a millimeter and yeah, I know I've got a 2/10 of a millimeter and a different size. Needed them for a job. Now I've got them. I just updated the other day. I received my upgrade. Yeah, upgrade. I got a full set of 172 screws, nuts, tap and die. Same for 256 screws, nuts, tap and die. I already had taps and dies for 0090 and 080. And I got a bunch of replacement screws for those two sizes. Nice little plastic box. My stepdaughter gave it to me. You want this piece of crap? Yes. Okay. So if you're going to work with small screws in National Fine, actually I believe it's National Extra Fine in Machinery's Handbook for 0090. But anyway, there's an even smaller size than that. 000-100. Talk about unobtainium, huh? And of course there's the watchmakers threads, which are basically millimeter, sub-millimeter, way sub-millimeter, and they're usually expressed in millimeter, you know. Unless you get some really weird Romanian watchmaker from the 14th century, you know, and he made all his own stuff because he got a book. Otherwise, they're going to be sub millimeter with metric descriptions for the sizes, thread pitches. Other people are going to say extremely small ass screw, extremely small ass. Anyway, small screws.